Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atlapink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the US debt situation is getting worse. US debt has risen by 275 billion US dollar in one single day. This is, guys, half of Bitcoin's entire market cap in one day. And I will talk about other things as well, according to this problem, US debt, and also about crypto cards, which facilitated 3 billion US dollar payment volume since 2021. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh video content to keep you up to date. I'm making these short videos, these longer videos, so every day you're getting the freshest. And with this, you can stay up to date. If that's about it for you, definitely subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button. Highly appreciate it. And now let's start it. Okay, and for start, as usual, let's have a look at the prices. Okay, we can see Bitcoin is 0.5% up, while Ethereum 0.5% down. Bitcoin 27,753 US dollar, while Ethereum 1,639 US dollar. When we're looking at the top gainers, Trust Wallet token up 10%, Aave up 5%, and Avalanche about 5%. When we're looking at the losers, Gala going down 4%, Polygon down now 5%, and Bitcoin SV down 3%. If we're looking at the top 100. Okay, and let's have a quick look at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, where we can see that we're still under the 200-day moving average. And to stay above it, close above it, and then stay above it would be crucial to get bullish again. On the other hand, Bitcoin is holding itself actually quite well, especially if you compare it to gold or some others as well. So this is right now this situation. And okay. Now let's move on to the first topic, and the first topic is actually all about that US debt actually has risen by 275 billion US dollar in a single day. Okay, so the situation in the United States, it's getting worse when it comes to US debt. But let's now talk about a couple of things. First of all, this one. US added over half Bitcoin market cap in debt in a day. So just to, see the big picture, when you're looking at here, Bitcoin's market cap, it is, 541 billion US dollar, right? So when you're looking at this here, not this one, I'll move on to this one later. When you're looking at this here, we're talking about 275 billion US dollar in a single day. In a single day, look at the US debt clock. Here on the top left corner, you can see it. It's right now 33 trillion, 33.4 or almost 0.5 trillion US dollar, and look how crazily it is going up. So this is actually bigger than look, Ethereum's whole market cap, which is under 200 billion US dollar. So this is how significant now the issue is at the moment. And yeah, then we have here Joe Biden announcing 9 billion more in student debt relief, which is obviously for the families and those individuals. Sorry, I got it right. Okay, one. It's a massive, big thing. It goes to 125,000 borrowers, so quite a big number. On the other hand, these kind of movements will just increase the US debt. And of course, China would like to get out of this situation. So selling basically US treasuries for a while. And look, this actually, it's even heavier in sale in the recent years. But actually, when you look at this, 400 and 81 billion has been sold in US dollar since its peak. And this is actually more than 1/3 of their, holdings when when it peaked. And there were many experts who were saying that China are not going to do it because it will have an impact on their currency and economy. But it looks like they're doing, and they're rather investing, for example, in gold than holding it in US treasuries. I think this is the same. Yeah, this is the same pretty much. And also the problems with the bond market. Here is just quick to understand that bond market crashes are often triggered by rising interest rates, and this is what we actually right now witnessing. The Fed is increasing the interest rates continuously since 2022. Bonds are loans from investors to the bond issuers in exchange for interest earned. When the Federal Reserve increases interest rate, bond prices typically fall in the short term. Investors look at the bond's interest payment, known as the bond coupon, to determine how much they are willing to pay for the bond. When the interest rate rises, investors can earn more money from newly issued bonds. And this is what's happening right now, okay? So the price of existing bonds that pay lower interest rates drops. So we could see that, it's always the situation that the bonds are the safer one. But, recently, those prices dropped down because nobody wanted to buy it if the new issued one has, in the short term even, a bigger yield. So when interest rates rise rapidly, bond price may fall quickly, leading to a crash. And look at this. Here you can see that US 10-year treasury yield increase. And look, right now we're at 4.7%, but some people saying we will get to 5% as well. And look, here, on the other hand, you can see the bank term funding program. And in this year, because, they try to, here, end of September, Fed's discount window and bank term funding program usage continued in inch higher. So as you can see here, we going back again, going upwards. Here, at the first part of the year, it went up significantly when they had the bank crashes. But now, because they don't want the banks sell their, treasuries, which now, as I said before, the price for them, it went down significantly. So they would lose a lot of money. Therefore, they're helping them out. But if they want to help them out, they have to print money. And you can see how significant this is. This is, look how it looked at 2020, 21, 22, and now what's happening here in 2023. So all these things will bring this number up, which is the US debt. And of course, that will, more money printing, further inflate the United States dollar. And sooner or later, the Fed just kind of have to stop with the interest rate hikes. If they do stop with it, then inflation can come back. So it's a really, really difficult situation what they're facing right now. But it looks like they have to put money in the economy. Otherwise, the problem to survive is quite a difficult thing. So yes, we are in difficult situations. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to a couple of things. And for example, one is Bitcoin. So when people are going to realize that their money it's not that great anymore in bonds, for example, even if it sounds amazing, used to be, then they have to find riskier assets. And now we have BlackRock and many others. They apply for Bitcoin spot ETF. So why did they do so right now? Because guess what? If that would be approved, we don't know the future, but they're saying it's gonna happen. Just question is sooner or later, last quarter of this year, first quarter of next year, we're going to see it. But it's that's happening, then definitely they're going to actually push that because this is, their new money-making machine. And then some people going to, and investors move their investments money towards Bitcoin, towards crypto, into those markets, which obviously going to push up the prices. But okay, I don't know the future. These are the things what's happening. I just wanted to show you the bad side. And actually the good thing is that when you're looking at Bitcoin here, Bitcoin is holding itself pretty well. So look at this year. This year it went up here all the way to almost, $32,000, and then we just came back here to 25, and now we are here at almost 28, and if you look at this sideways movements, it shows that even the price is now going down, people are not willing to sell it. Anytime when it drops, they push it back. And I'm not saying this cannot happen, that we can see lower prices than $25,000. Yes, it can happen. But if that happens, for many, it will be just a great time to accumulate because they're thinking in long term. And because of halving next year and all these other things, 2024 and 25 could be theoretically a great year. It's always risk involved, so you should do your own homework. It's your own responsibility to invest in anything. These are just the facts I wanted to point out, and then you make your decision. Okay, and now the last thing I wanted to talk about, that crypto cards facilitated $3 billion payment volume since 2021. Okay, so it looks like people like to shop with their crypto using their crypto cards because, according to Visa, $3 billion payment volume was there with crypto cards since 2021. Basically, Visa partnered with 75 cryptocurrency exchanges since 2021. So they came out with their crypto Visa cards. And because of Visa, crypto could reach 80 million Visa merchants. And because of this, those who preferred to use their cryptocurrency to do some shopping, they could do so. And this generated $3 billion payment volume since 2021. So actually, it shows that this is big as well. And definitely, crypto fits in this new digital world, the direction we going towards to. And we're going to have these CBDCs worldwide. And then to own a piece of something, which is... it is digital and it is a currency. However, it is decentralized, called Bitcoin. I think it could be a game changer. But what do you think about this? You can let me know in the comment section, share your opinion. And that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day you're getting this fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, short videos, longer videos. So if you subscribe to this YouTube channel, you won't miss a single thing. And hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next video. Have a good one.